What's going on, guys? Tristan McCormick here. My rookie season on the Bassmaster Elite Series. Got the brand new boat right here behind me. Huge announcement. SonarPros rigged a boat for me this year. Could not be more thrilled. Just gonna do a quick little walkthrough with you guys, kind of from front to back, back to front, however you want to say it. First of all, Yamaha 250 show. Absolutely love this motor, paired with 10-foot power pole blades. Also got SonarPros' little navigation light, so you ain't got to put that big nasty light in the back of it. Got back here to batteries, all Powerhouse Lithium, guys. I'm very blown away with the rigging job by SonarPros. Here you can see everything's nice and neat. All my switches right here are in one place. I ain't got to go on the other side of the boat, turn the trolling motor on. Huge deal for me. Guys, this is my first year with Powerhouse Lithium. Hey, I came to them, I wanted a Powerhouse setup, and you are looking at it right here, guys. 336s, a 16-volt cranking battery, guys. This is the whole 9 yards, but listen, this is overkill. This is a lot of power back here. You know, I fish for a living, so I want to have as much battery as I can put back here. This is not really normal, I guess you could say. So, like I said, I got 336s in parallel, the 16-volt, 212s. Love the way this turned out, guys. The Powerhouse Lithium. I'm very excited to get this boat on the water. Also, back here on the back deck, Powerhouse Lithium. Bass boat deck on this boat. I'll show you something really cool here in a second. Hop on up here to the console. I'm all Garmin this year, guys. I'm running 3 126 XPs, an 86/16, and a 166 up front. A lot of graphs here going on, but on the Elite Series, we're only allowed 55 inches, so the 86 will come off. But probably one of my favorite parts about the whole boat is the bass boat deck and the floor. SonarPros logo alongside my logo. Very pleased how the way that turned out. Got a kicker stereo system in it. Also, Garmin Boat Logix mounts, guys. Absolutely blown away. I think this is my 11th year with Boat Logix. Huge shout out to those guys. Best mounts on the market. Come up here up front. Like I said, we're only allowed 55 inches on the Bassmaster Elite Series. So essentially, this unit right here will come off when I'm on the Elite Series, but my buddy is buying this boat, so I wanted to rig it with that. Triple bow mount up front, 2 16s and a 12-inch, guys. A lot of graph up here. Of course, the brand new Garmin Force Pro. Love the way this boat turned out. There's a little juice back here on the back deck. This is my first year doing this, guys. The Starlink Mini. You can see how SonarPros rigged it, plugs into the side of the boat. That is not factory. So very pleased with the way this boat turned out. Again, huge thank you to SonarPros. Excited to get the year started.